guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I was working on adding a whole bunch of sleeves. Sorry for all the noise, that's construction life. But I was adding and cutting a bunch of these sleeves. Most of them are just straight up and down. Took a little bit off just because they're going through the top plate. They only need to be above 6 inches a little bit, so cut off about 14 inches of a 10-foot stick. Someone else was mounting the boxes. I just went around and put in the connectors, and then basically just have to punch or drill a hole through the top plate right there, and then my pipe will go through straight, and then I just support it with either bracket spreader bars or these other little clamps that I'll show you. But basically this is a different building across the street. So these are going to be offices. But I will show you that here in a second. I'll go show you what I did over here. Thanks. So this is what it looks like right here. So just got your pipes going straight up here with the spreader bar there, and then I ran out of the EMT bushings, Arlingtons, whatever you want to call them, preacher's collars. But I'll show you what those look like if you've never seen those before. So these ones are just going to be straight, and the pipes on the outside walls are going to need 90s. So I started to mount this one over here, but it needs a 90. Okay, I brought it. So this one's going to get a 90 right here. It's a beautiful day outside, beautiful day. So I can't wait to go driving later with the top off. It'll be sweet. So that one gets a 90. And so yeah, kind of basic here. That's what I was basically working on all day, was cutting pipes, installing pipes, and strapping pipes. So here's the other clamps I was talking about. So these are just a little clip right here. So it just goes on the stud. If it's close enough, you just snap it in there and then put a screw through it, and then you're good. But if it's like, if the hole's over here, then you have to use spreader bars. So that's what it looks like. Oh, and there's the preacher's collars, because I forgot about that, to mention that as well. So just a little plastic bushing, so when you pull your wire through, it doesn't get all scratched up or whatever, if there's any rough edges on the pipe that's cut or whatnot. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Kind of short, but basically all I did. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the description for social medias, and also what else was I gonna say? Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. I just learned how to stream Xbox One yesterday onto YouTube, so I will probably be doing that pretty frequently. So if you guys want to hang out in the live stream chat room or whatever and chat with me, ask me questions, anything like that, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified, so you can hang out with me. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace. Alright, guys, one more thing. I was going to make this like a one clip, but I usually add the intro video at the beginning, so I figured, what the heck, I'll just say one more thing. I did finish those two things from yesterday. Well, actually 3 things. I strapped that pipe at the end of the day yesterday. I strapped that, and then I finished the box and the pipe on the other side of the wall that I mentioned. And the last thing that I did was fix that the crooked pipe in the ceiling. I kind of just bent it in 2 spots, gave it a little offset so it didn't look as terrible. So anyways, those are the other 3 things that I did today at the beginning of the day for like 30 minutes to an hour and a half, I'm not sure. So anyways, but the rest of the day I was over at across the field on the other job site, and as you saw, cut all the pipes and was hanging those all day. yep, that was my day, and I might do a little Fortnite here in a little bit, so look forward to a stream on the channel, and hopefully you guys will check it out, and I'll see you guys later, and hopefully you'll play with me. See you guys later. Peace.